Hi, I'm Brent from In Your Town Plumbing and Heating. We provide services from Greater Vancouver, all the way from West Vancouver, Horseshoe Bay, down the Fraser Valley to Langley. We are certified, licensed, and bonded plumbing and heating company. We provide services for plumbing, heating, and drain cleaning. Anything from a leaky faucet to new boiler equipment, furnaces, sewer lines, hydro flushing, and cameras. We use quality products and we stand by them. We can guarantee them. If you have a plumbing emergency or just any question or matter, we are available 24 hours a day. If you call the number on the screen now.